Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Hi guys! Welcome to our channel! This is Team Chan! So today, what are we going to do?
Q&A questions!
Q&A questions! Yay! That's Archie! Say hi, hi! Say hello! Cuckoo! So today, we are going
to play Q&A questions.
So, okay, she's going to ask me 7 questions.
Because my age is 7.
Okay, so we choose 7 questions only, and let's see if I know more or if I know well about my daughter. And also I'm going to ask her 7 questions as well, if she knows me well as her mom.
Okay, let's do rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay,
Let's see
ready?
who will go first.
Okay.
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot! Hey! So you're the one who will ask me the questions first. Okay, let's see what's the question. Read the question.
What is my favorite food?
Your favorite food. What's your favorite food, Archie? Fried chicken.
Yes, correct.
Yay, 1 point.
What is my favorite color?
Okay, your favorite color is pink and blue. Correct?
A little bit more.
What is it? Light pink
Yes.
and light blue.
Yes.
Correct?
Okay.
Hey.
Next question is, what is my favorite pet?
Your favorite pet? Bunny?
Yes.
Yay!
1 point.
Yes.
1 more question left. Okay. Here. It said, what is my favorite pastime?
Favorite pastime is drawing. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, next question please. Next question. We are ready.
What am I good at?
Okay, you are good at drawing, painting, and you like singing also.
Yes, correct. What do I like to wear the most?
Okay, you like to wear dress the most, right?
Yes. And
Okay.
this is my last question for you, Mama.
Okay, what's the question?
What is my nationality?
You are Filipino.
No!
What?
I have the Malagasy and Chinese blood. So I'm the citizen of the world.
You're crazy. So you're not just Filipino. You're born here in the Philippines. That makes you a Filipino.
I also grew up in Indonesia, Laos, and Thailand.
So
I'm still the citizen of the world.
you are still Filipino, baby.
One citizen of the world.
Okay. So that's all my question. Am I done?
Yes. I
Okay.
got a little correction that one.
So she is the citizen of the world. That's the only mistake I made, guys. So let me introduce you the citizen of the world.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, now it's my time to ask you a question. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, my first question is, what is my favorite color?
Brown and beige.
Brown and beige. That's correct.
Yay!
Okay, next question is, my my next question for you is, what is my favorite food?
Pasta.
Correct. My next question is, where do I come from?
Madagascar.
Madagascar. Yes, I'm from Madagascar.
Correct.
So I have 4 more left questions for you.
Oh.
Next is, what I am good at. What I am good at.
Hairstyle. Cooking.
Okay, that's good also. That's good answer. Okay, next question. Archie, where are the questions? Okay, what are my favorite hobbies? My favorite hobbies.
Cooking.
And
Dancing.
what else?
Exercise.
Okay, I like to watch movies also. The next question for you is, what is my name? What's my name?
Mama.
Is that my name?
Yes, because I call you Mama, and you're my Mama.
So, that's my name?
Yes.
Okay, pass. Okay, this is my last question for you, okay? Okay, Angie is talking also. Say hi. Hi. Okay. Okay, this is my last question. My last question for you is, what language do I speak? What language do I speak?
Malagasy, English, French, a little Filipino.
Correct. Still learning the Filipino, guys. So, be understanding. And also our English also, we apologize if there's some mistakes because it's not our mother tongue. It's not our mother language. So, we just try our best for you to understand. And we'll do our best for the next videos. Okay guys, we hope you like our video. Don't forget to like
and subscribe.
And also share, guys, and also click
Click
on
the
the
notification bell.
notification bells.
Be
Bye.
safe.